what is still in Ghana news, what is still trending in Ghana news is the Sakawa saga, the killing saga that happened at Kaswa. Not some few days ago, we realized that there were two culprits that were involved in killing one Ishmael of the age 11 years over money rituals. Now, this has hit the news, and many Ghanaians have been talking, asking questions. And one of the big questions that Ghanaians have been asking is, where is the ritualist that was involved in that particular killing? And now it has hit the news. But then somehow the news has left many Ghanaians contemplating on the exact agenda of the ritualist, or say the fetish priest. Now, in the update of it all, what I have with me here today from reports coming from Atika FM, it is told that someone in the vicinity, he was the one that was being interviewed by Atika FM. Now, what the person said is that the priest is not a woman, rather a man. What was told earlier was that the priest is a man, but later it came out that it's a woman, which has left many Ghanaians contemplating on the exact gender of the priest or the priestess. But according to the story that I have for you today, they are saying that the priest is a man, and according to the story, before the police hit his house, he was hinted and he decided to run off, leaving the wife and also a few weeks old baby. The woman happens to be a nursing mother. Now, according to the police, when they went to the place, they started banging on the door for quite some time, and the woman was actually inside without responding. They didn't know the woman was inside, but they decided to barge in and break into the home and find out what is actually going on there, if there is a possibility that the people may be hiding in the room. But as they entered the room, that was when they realized that the woman was in the room and there was also a baby around. So they decided to arrest the woman. I believe this is what people saw and thought that the priest is rather a priestess and not a priest. So as the news is stating, the woman is actually the wife of the Mallam, and the Mallam just took off running away, leaving the wife and also the poor baby. Now, the wife has been apprehended by the police and leaving the child behind, and this is what made the neighbors around called on the attention of the police, and they were trying to plead with the police so that they make the woman take along the baby, as the baby is just some few weeks old. But the police did not do as was asked. They just took the lady away. Now, I feel that the lady might have something to do with this particular whole saga, because if that is not the case, then why again will she lock the door and not allow the police to come in? Also, many may also agree that there is a possibility that as the man was leaving, knowing very well what the man is doing, there is a possibility that as the man was leaving, he might have hinted the woman or told the woman that there are people looking for him, wanting to kill him, and may not perhaps mention the name of police. So maybe he took off and he asked her to lock the door and not open it for anyone else. That could be the case, and that is why the woman did not open the door. We do not know yet, but further investigation will bring us the detail of this particular story. But Atinka has more further detail into the story. Let's take a good look. I'll be right back.
What's any dinner the same? Well, you'll be at what Tikrum or
now.
It's a manasi krumunote.
Oh, what letters or Hanabena? Manasi Manabeka.
Na Obia no send a Juma where your horny say, or ye bosom for an ass or ye comfort now where you be at, or ye doing sneer now where you're doing.
Okay, mostly today, name say, or you didn't see, and I didn't know anymore. Mostly, I was oh, yeah, fraud me a day. I'm trying to make the found the fraud the Jumana, oh, yeah.
Just what the pum ho battle ye, or more fraud on Crofonibi. When you pick a crab and sit in your playing at least ocean age, the 35 to 40 years more than winner. Now, Shana, or were you one ma one near Busianete and an inquanity?
Why you one ma, and where you put it in chain. I say blessing 1 year man.
I just say what said that if you can see our dear Jumano a business into our boys are one no more Juma.
I say oh.
Hey.
But if you can say fan Tony Boyz now X1.
I was going to say, would you me a call? I think on Facebook page is here now. Yen share papa, yen share ni fie, yen share kwani anam so. Eti, ya wako TV so ni ade kwa ya advert a nkrofo nim no ana won de nde wara beba.
Kana matini nati so si ba Muslim father nim nko. Ai so bi na edie ni ma. Ni fa no ko ba thank you so far. Ba be see on so.
Okay. Or one where Casaman Mevan say and nep your community PRO for it will be Casano no muno adding a number at receive call no fee.
Sir, some of it found the reference name or TV
also. Okay. Na Oceana na sitting muno to say. One Casano, yes, a quatrique mount to man wet any Kakra one home.
Yeah, Kakra Kakra.
Local champion. Or a local champion, a bumper tem hodia or no ane.
Yeah.
Okay. Ave tire mu kakra mo hwa na mu hunu se prosifo aba ho ne wen ana se ba ne sen na mote ye se eye papa we na ye hwehwe no
keme se nda na ye juma o ono ifi no no ma na ni pana ni ye juma na ano ka ba se wo bi machine ano de me ka ba se wo bi machine di bi de cost ana ye ntie di na ti se
kwa guto bo mame o si na wo ye adwuma ho na boy an ni ye o ya driver
me sini
okay ndi wo ye adwuma na dance ye
ana ni para me ye adwuma na manan ana ba se na so na yo no se ya ti se ho bobu din bang anye adeketu akra ndi da moment no o se nanano abefa kwemi kuku bi wo abef America fa kuku ni ma oko nti oni ma de kode a nti o de America sa on ne baba ko a won ni ye adwuma oni ma de kode nti o de America sa then itade ko hwe ni nti akwa police
kwaku mesrao pa jina ye kakra bi ma me nafi o kasa ni nti memra ma me why jina ye kakra abusuafo se wutie misesi a ati mozu ukromo network
amana the network ho
ehwa na ojina no nti amana se network nye ombaye nie ayi eti ukọ atenka Facebook page sesi a sesei efie ho ba bi omko kire sa konfuo se wo ye Mallam so ye jujuo but area fo no so no ye frɛ no nana o Boyz o no mu ye adwuma no ye froster ayese osonde nkrofo obo man nkrofo ko ye advert o wo discover me bo ho ni ade ni binum ni ade ba ho fo ndio se kwagu
Matthew.
Aha. Mwakasa de ya wamfanya mwana monso watwitwi mu adi kakra wo pom ho a.
Also do on my Instagram yet a frame but because of asem ga nya enti en ko ne wan san go dis adwuma ne bi da. Ba na ya tete adwuma o di. Kan ko na ya ta ba ho.
Nkrofo free baby ba ho.
Matthew.
Timu ho na mu hu si woni ne boy ba ku dimirika betwam a wo mu dwane wo kokoo na se
safe nti e ba na sa na yeti se wole bo bibi ya kwa na police fu egu fio be nipa 5 a wo gudu ni danani nta ta na yere no wodan a wo bodan ba wo bio wo bodan ko kire
ne yere ni sedan mu na wato punu nim Kwegu
metonka
na oba ni sedem no wato punu ni mu na papa no de wadwane
na oba ni sedem ma wato punu ni
ti police fo no boy no wamie police fo
wambio nti police na bu da ne na kwa kire oba
eti ya ka say de oba no police fo nsem
isi the man of police. Wow,
also abana wa he 2 weeks. Kwaku line no. Ebusafo mo fanchem kakra, kwaku san gina yie kakra na baabi aye kase yamna sikoko no ne ade ni ntiduru baabi aye na network na ye de wo ho beyi but kwatenka Facebook page sesia na ni nyina damu live wo ho no mo baba wa fresh kura ne ho fefefe woni musi ni kuna dwuma wo ye ni so mu nyina na ye wo ya complex because meti hoyi me yiri nim se ha na meba eti so kire bi fufuro bi na mamna hu na ye enkrofo ba fi ho ne de ne cheso ni mamhwe se kwaku ahoma no ebe ye ye kakra o de network fufuro tra na hwe ho okay kwaku
Letonka.
Aha. Eti ne yiri ni se dan mu a wo mo bo mu a wo mie no mu ebu ani kwakire no.
Wo kwakire ne yiri no. Nti akwa da ba kwa di be 1 month akwala.
Oh.
Nti ne ya ka se police ya fanin ka. Nti ma wode ne ko na ya pa police ne cho se. Won't me nja akwala no sa nti won fanin ko ba ne de mo ampene amai. Wote amamene ko awoja akwala.
Hey. Police for na ja aboduma wanya 2 weeks no ma arrest the nursing mother no a won your bad time ne de ne ko.
Got you.
Oh. And wo mo ja akwara no nti akwara no wan sesi ase ye kase.
And dream me na Mr. Perform mo de na me say what e oda akwara no ko ma ne bra yere. This no se ne bra yere.
Why bra yere? Obema bra yere na oba na bra yere.
Obema ne bra yere.
Na ta se bema no free pomu ha.
Make like I say, what be see that one more day? O free amana se on mo fi bi na oba.
But ne brat wo chese na busuanfo wo ho bi o matena ho ache.
Me tin tremu sadai. Me mo one de ache kakra.
Uni mo mbe se emfie mienu abatwa.
Mbe se emfie miensa to 4 years.
Ene chese wa betena ho ache a na busuanfo kra wo ho.
Tape abako kura wo so nim kura wo frɛ no anum pension man kono wala ya no to juwa no to di mane
acha so mu abetite areas wo bebre na de omo ye no no
sa
na nsem we nyina si ye nso so empanyifo e wo krom wo se ohene wo ho amana se hene wo ho
takeo
eti sansem we nyina no wo mo nso so abamu mpanyifo e wo krom wo ka san wo ho ana no mu nim se abrantie we na hyase a awudie se yakoso no
ti andra no up to date no me say ohene bi ana say obi fufu sa aba ho a won ba ye bibi sa me hu hwe sa
na wo ti se nana adwane abetwam one ne boy ne ba ko na che se tip of because so ansa na police fu ebedu ho
sape obi am say obi friend na so obi be ka chene nti the moment wo gba anche bia na e say police fu so obedu a ye ti se obu dana ni ayako
he se wo tie mi sesia watenka 104.7 misra wa bomodin na ma wani enko ho ma me fa me ko ba bia prosifo no ko ho ba bia abaya no ne baketwa na yiri no kura de onyi yo picture na me hwe ne fresh young girl
onyi kura
na konfo muso oye nana se wono de no me fa ne hye konfo na me fa ne hye malam o aibem
FM
Nkwaku
Patade
wanu no waye konfo na waye malama na waye ayiben
o se mostly me na any man say na get the friend wo area ni mu oba onya konfo adwuma bi oba nse bi wa okom ni ade ne de ye hu sada abibia ba so ti ho no ma na nkofo ba ne nche me ze na we aba ne nche ba ni dwuma ko potin a o di se ye konfo na malam dia en ntimi nchire Dia ya friend na na ya de friend o ewe mu hono.
Na wani montem nso tesen wotimi ni mu bonko moni mu di agro no ni ade na oni de sunsun mu adwuma na na oye nti oni obi ani agro wo ho.
Oh okay, make like I say on ye fine pound ewe ni. Yoni ni free pa atan say bibi nya na otimi ba en chen ba jeni ade.
munyina munim se oswinde nkrofo mo so ye froster wo frodo nkrofo da mo nso mantia presifo na so
sana o de atem ka sana ye tinini asa atesem by yen ko ho yen ko hu aduma ko potia o ye nti ye tin ko report say do BBC ana say nti because to jina the news answer na odeko
there's evidence bi an said that ni ho a mo betimi am ye di ante no kopim this is here ye ka say de ni fie ho bi ani fie ho bi o
and the permission with the obi ani fie on man of it
kwagunim memwa ye yi bi kakra bi meja wo na anope wasan twafie ho ne na environment na ma na tiefo a etie no mo hwe ni nyina no wo mahunu eti maminya wo na yenko prosifo nso nkache na ye besan ba wo homritia wa bi mu wai
mate da
so to the fie ho video ni bibia ni bio na fa eto number isu sesi a wai
mate
fama unia yi kwakwatie mo wa ha kwagu.
You have seen it all, you have heard it all. But the question here is, could it be that the woman is actually involved in the activity of the husband? People are only talking, people are speculating that there is a possibility that she is involved. The big question is, or the mystery is, if she wasn't, then she wouldn't have locked the door in the first place, preventing the police from entering. Many are congratulating the police, and many are also saying that there is a possibility that the woman's husband may have hinted her that there are people looking for him and people willing to kill him. So if anyone is to come closer to the door, she should make sure that she protects herself and also the child that she is having in hand. That could be it, and that could be her reason why she closed the door so tight and not opening it to the police. But further information and further investigation from the police will prove to us whether or not these people are culprits. And more so, the information that was hitting on the news were about one fetish priest. I don't know who the fetish priest is. I don't know where they happen to have that interview with that particular fetish priest. But the news that was going around is that the fetish priest was actually asking for a possible proof of the fact that she or he was involved in whatever happened, the killing saga, the Sakawa killing saga at Kaswa. But from the story that we have for us or for you today, it proves that the fetish priest himself has not been apprehended by the police yet. So let's try and avoid any other false information regulating around this particular story. The only place you'll be getting the very best and the truthful information is right here on Too Much GH. My name is Ben Samuel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Drop in your comments in the comment section for me. Don't forget to click on the notification button to have access to all other interesting programs that are uploaded right here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching again.